can see, the bride and groom will be treated as royalty and escorted in procession with a compound, as you can see at the sound just now, and a decorative flowers called bunga. In Malay wedding, when a man announces his wish to marry, an engagement date will be set when families of the couple meet to discuss wedding plans. Upon this engagement day, both families will exchange gifts together with a ring as a symbol of agreement and welcoming for a new member in the family. After a while, this will be followed by nikah. Nikah is a religious solemnization of the marriage with a verbal contract between the bride and his representatives and the groom, and a small sum called mas kawin will seal the contract. And again, this will come together with gifts, as you can see here, some of it, and also again a ring. Nikah is required by both Islamic law and civil law in order to legalize a Malay wedding. And bersanding, as you can see here, will happen in the actual wedding day. Literally, bersanding means sitting together with the bride and groom in a couch. Usually we have what we call pelamin. Yeah? And then they will be surrounding with friends and family. So the arriving party will then take place around the house, and they will be entertained with dancing, which held as a sign of welcoming and paying respect to the bridegroom as the king of the day. Seated on the pelamin, the couple are then blessed with scented water, petals and rice, symbolize fertility. Guests are then presented with bunga paha, which made from flower and boiled egg, again to symbolize fertility, union, and hope that the couple will be happily ever after. Pulut kuning will then again given to the bride mother as an act of appreciation during the ceremonies. And for that, I'd like to call one of our friends to show you how we give blessing to the bridegroom. So we have scented water, and then petals, and also rice. then we give in Bunga Bahar to say thank you. And to do the honor, I'd like to call Mr. Alan Edwards from our international office to do the honor, please. We take the scented water first, a bit of it. Yeah, a bit of splash somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, petals. With your hand. And also with the right. And say thank you. Give you Bunga Bahar. Thank you very much. Yeah? Thank you. So this wedding usually be followed by fasting and merrymaking called Kenduri, which sometimes could last until for 2 days or 3 days. So with that, I ended our show today on Malaysian wedding. I hope you will gain some knowledge on how our culture for the wedding. And with that also we thank you.
Thank you very much.